Moche kanjani bathini ngisemotrend Paula Snake
Welcome to Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boys in Lloyd Stacks, aka Super Lloyd, the closer rockstar, and I just want to say thank you for tuning in. Thank you for taking your time and watching me today speak some shit, speak some sense into your mind. So today, as you can see, the Bamba one man. Yeah, boy, I'm alone today because I was born alone, so I'm gonna die alone. So you know what? Let me do this thing on my own. Otherwise, Mbizi couldn't be here, dog. When I got to his crib, he wasn't like born in so I didn't want to pass a miss the brew, dog. You know what? I don't like born. Let me tell you, I don't like being waked up from a sleep, dog. Yeah. Soon pass a miss and the So you know what? So I put himself in my shoes and I put myself in his shoes. So yeah, that's why we couldn't have him on this episode. Otherwise, on the next episode we have a special guest. He's coming in on Wednesday, and on Easter weekend we're having another legend in the house. But before we get on to the show, you know what we always do, dog. We know what we always do. We be smoking on that Mary Jane. Smoking on that Mary Jane. Smoking on that Mary Jane. Dog, I won't lie, dog. When the plug dog, being in ganja for like 2 days and shit. Because apparently the connection got so when I got back, dog, that guy came with some strong ass shit. Someone I say, look, shit, nigga. It doesn't have a name. You blue cheese, Liana. Bone granatilla oil, no. Bone is like the exotic names. Yo, dog, like white stoners. Actually, stoners from the burbs got like exotic names for like marijuana. Just fucking don't name the shit, dog. It's like greens. It's just like okay, like some okay. Actually, you gotta name the shit, but marijuana is one of the strangest names, dog. Like Durban poison. But that's the most common one, dog. Like a Durban poison. I won't lie. This one over here, I do not know what weed it is, but it's good weed. Yeah, well, it's some good weed, dog. It got get stuff to a good shit. A good shit, girl. Zayona kaka chaiwe. Zangayona nzangwa chaiwe. To a good shit, yeah, a good shit. Good shit. It's some badass shit, boy. Yeah, boy. Indo strong gas. It was a skunk, my gang. To the people out there, why is it called a skunk, dog? Like, is it because of the smell is so potent, or the guys who try skunk funny? All I know is that I be smoking sativa, dog. Yeah, bro. So yeah, this is the month where we'll be celebrating marijuana on the 420. So on that day, I'll have a guest episode. But otherwise, let's get on to the episode. On this episode, I just wanted to say it's all about game time, dog. Like some gay time. Yo, not some gay time, dog. Not some gay time. Game time. It's some game time. Earlier on, you know, I don't have the video now, but I had this gay dude who came with his friends, and they talked us out some real shit, dog. One of her friends was a prostitute, and she cried on camera, dog. So I might drop that episode. I don't know when I'm gonna drop that episode because the video wasn't recorded on my phone, but I do got the sound though. Yeah, bro. And it's lit, dog. This prostitute was crying, dog. I'm like, yo. And she wanted a t-shirt. I'm like, bitch, ain't gonna give you a t-shirt, boy. But I'm gonna give her a t-shirt as soon as I post her shit out, dog. Some real time shit. But on this game time shit, I just wanna say, dog, I never say this to anyone. I always say this when I'm alone. But I just want to say, you're the only person that exists in this world Actually, not in this world, in your world. You the only person that matters. You the only one you should trust. Without you, you ain't gonna get shit done. If you want to get shit done, if you want to get stuff done, if you want things to work the way you want them to work, you gotta have that money, or you gotta do it yourself. That's it. You gotta pay people to do it the way you want it to be done, or you can do it yourself. Unless you got some value to yourself, and then there are people who do anything for you so they can be around you. Yeah, get me? But as a nobody like me, dog, as a nobody, you ain't got shit. I feel like if you want to get shit done the way you want it to get done, you gotta do it yourself. Yeah, bro? Nobody's out there for you. Nobody gives a fuck about you. Nobody gives a fuck about your feelings. Nobody thinks about you. You're the only person that thinks about you. So I just want to say that sometimes, you gotta be selfish in order to be happy. Sometimes you gotta be selfish in order to be happy. Sometimes being selfless will hurt you. And I'm telling you, a lot of niggas out there be complaining about shit like, yo, I did this for this person. Yo, bro, I kept it real with this person, dog. Like, I've been a real nigga to this person, and this nigga betrayed me. He stabbed me in the back, boy. A lot of niggas out there, they be chilling with some snakes. Actually, even me, dog. I be chilling with some snakes. Yeah, bro? But when I found out, okay, this nigga's a snake, I cut him off like the grass, boy. Cut his head off. Yeah, bro? But at the same time, I give it time. Like, okay, maybe he will change. Cause some niggas be doing some crazy shit, and I'm like, you know what? Let me give him a chance. Maybe he can change. Yeah, boy. But some niggas never change. Yeah, boy. And when you never change, you'll get the side of me that you don't want to see. You'll get the side of me that you don't want to see. Cause I'm not a person who likes to talk about shit. Yeah, boy. If you do me wrong first time, I let you. I keep quiet. Do me wrong the second time, I let you. I keep quiet. I fight with myself. I think of what I could have done and stuff. But if I see like, yo, okay, you are taking advantage of my niceness, of my kindness, of, the person I am, dog. And I see like whatever you're doing, you're not gonna stop. I cut you out. Cut you out first time. Like, I chopped your head off, boy. Like, I chopped your head off. Niggas know me, dog. Niggas know me. I'll chop your head off, dog. Actually, the niggas who know me are the niggas I've chopped their heads off. But I just want to say, the only person you can trust is yourself. That's it. Game time. Game time. But yeah, Fitri, I might be drunk today. Might be feeling myself. But what I just said right now just is real shit. It's some real ass shit. But yeah, let's go on to some crazy shit that's been happening. People have been changed, dog. You know what? Life, dog, is so fucked up these days, dog. Back in the days, when someone was in an accident, people will come over and help that person. Someone was in a fight, there will always be that guy who stops the fight. No. Don't do this shit. Don't do this shit. But things have changed. Things have changed. When someone is in an accident and needs some help, the first thing people do is take out their cameras and take a video. I'm like, what the fuck, dog? Like, help the nigga out. The nigga broke his leg, bro. That nigga needs some help, bro. And you out here taking a video. Oh, his leg off. I'm like, dog, I even saw this other video, dog, of this accident, dog. This nigga was riding his scooter and he fucking got hit by a car. And his body lay on the other side and his leg went to the other side. You know what that nigga who was taking a video did? He went to the leg, bro. The nigga went to the leg and took a video of the leg. I'm like, his leg, bro. And after the leg, he went to the person. What's up with y'all people, dog? What's up with us, dog? What's up with your phones, dog? Go help a nigga out. Take the leg, bro. Grab the leg. Trying to fucking mend the leg together. Don't take a video of this shit. Yeah, you can take a picture or you can take a video after the shit, but yo, bro, like everybody wants to be the cop, dog. That shit is because of cops. They say don't move shit around. Don't move shit around. So people be taking cameras. I even saw another video, dog, of people fighting, dog. People were fighting. Chicks were fighting, dog. Nobody stopped in the fight. But everybody got their phones up. They taking a video. People be taking some videos. Ain't like, what the fuck a video gonna do? It's gonna get you some views, dog. Only. It's not gonna help the person out. But yeah, hey, no, I'm not American, so let me stop talking like this. I think I might be angry right now. Like, people these days, I don't know what's up with the phone. I don't know what's up with the camera, dog. But when everybody's in shit, like, it's so worse that it came to a point where even the nigga that's in trouble, maybe he's in an accident, got hit by a car. The first thing the nigga would do is take out his fucking phone and take a selfie. I'm hit. Niggas in hospital. I'm hit. You know, like, what you want me to do, nigga? Help yourself, nigga. Save yourself. Nobody give a fuck about yourself. Only you. But yeah, Fito, like, that's one thing I wanted to say, dog. A lot of people, like, yo, help people out. Don't take videos, dog. Okay, if you see another person taking a video, okay, like, try to help this nigga out, dog. But yeah, that's what we have went to, dog. Well, they're like, people, first thing they do is just take their phones out. Sorry for drinking in front of you, but I believe nobody below the age of 18 is watching this shit. Yeah, well, this is Black Label, the best beer in South Africa. You might say, nah, dog. Like, let me tell you something. Which beer is drank by everybody in South Africa? This beer is drank by poor people. This drink is drank by rich people. This drink is drank by everybody because it's not only cheap. It's like 22 rand a pristine, 25 rand a gas. But it's delicious. It's sweet. This is how a beer should taste. This is how alcohol, actually not alcohol, but a beer should taste. When I drink other beers, I think about this beer. Imagine, dog, like, it's like, this beer is so good. Like, imagine if you had a chick, né? You were dating this chick, and you meet another chick on the side, and you love that chick more than the one that you had first. And then when you're with that chick that you had first, you always think about that one. Because this is not the first beer I drank, but this is the first beer I loved. And I cheated on my first beer with this beer. And I've been with this beer since the day I ever tasted this beer. But that's long. I just want to say this is the best beer in the world. Sad news is that it's not South African, it's Canadian. But yeah, I think me and Canada, South Africa and Canada are on good sides, because it's funny, we are not good. We're not in good terms with the USA. So I feel like, you know what, let's fucking take everything from America back to USA. Like everything from USA, they must go back to USA, and we start having some Canadian shit, boy. That's some real shit right there. Some best beer in the fucking world, dog. I wish I could meet the person who came up with this beer, dog, so I can shake his hand. If you're dead, boy, show me a grave, nigga. Show me a grave. Otherwise, I just want to say this is the best beer in the world. Black Label. Try it out. This is not a sponsor, but if Black Label, y'all see this shit, yeah, I got a sponsor to do, dog. Maybe a case ng yang I'm fit. Yeah, boy. Case ng yang up waves in. Actually, case a week. Cause I drink this shit every week. But yeah, let's close it now. I think Dallas la pala. I think Dallas tete. By the way, Omo Torso is a free man. And half the women of South Africa are happy. And half the women of South Africa, actually not of South Africa, PE. Omo Torso divided the women of PE. Because apparently Kokole got justice for Kwe. Women and people, actually everyone out there is marching, dog, but mostly women because they tired, dog. Yo, dog, y'all niggas is just raping too much, dog. Like, get yourself a bitch, nigga. Like, go to the Central, dog. There's some hoes there, dog. There's some hoes at Gasi. They would do anything to fuck, just to get fucked, boy. Like, hit them up, boy. Eat that pussy, boy. It's not about the face, boy. No boom boom nana fetu mieke bosweni ndozo yicha hive China. Kanieke no rape machida sanu batwa kaki. I feel like we should fucking stop porn, dog. Like, porn lena yenza machita batwa kaki. Porn has got to be banned in SA, dog. Stop this shit. Yeah, until so actually stop it in the fucking whole world, dog. Porn is fucking, I love porn, but y'all gotta stop it, boy. Y'all gotta stop it. Chicks gotta stop posting ass on that Instagram, boy. Yeah, y'all gotta stop falsely accusing people of rape, dog. I feel like the reason why rape is such a hard crime to figure out, a hard crime to solve, is because there's a lot of chicks out there who be falsely accusing men of rape. Yeah, Gaby. The reason why now a lot of rape cases are lost, and there's a lot of rapists out there who are winning cases, is mostly because of the falsely accused guys. Because a lot of people who are falsely accused of rape, now the judge has to actually think twice. I'm like, hey, okay, I hear your story. You say you got raped, né? And this guy says he did not rape you. You see? So now the judge is on both of your sides. Yeah, get me? Even if the guy didn't rape you, dog, he might get a chance of going out, because the judge doesn't know what to believe, because there's so many stories of falsely accused people out there. Yeah, get me? So I feel like the people who falsely accuse people, like guys, of rape, they should be fucking killed, dog. Or they should fucking, okay, they should go to prison for rape. They should go to prison for the years that the nigga has spent. Yeah, bro. So I'ma check out, but yo, we don't play with this shit. Yeah, bro. As soon as there's less, like, no one is falsely accused of rape out there, I'm telling you, dog, this rape thing is gonna be busted easily, because there's no, you call it about, okay, now, like because the reason why rape is a big thing in SA and people are going to jail because of rape, even if they didn't rape, is because it happened a lot. Like, these niggas are just raping. South Africa is the capital of rape, dog, in the world, dog. Imagine South Africa small, but we the rape capital in the world, dog. So I feel like, but I blame you on chicks, Louis, man. People on the side, y'all niggas is foul, dog. Y'all niggas ain't real niggas, dog. Y'all niggas is bitch ass niggas. Y'all niggas is hoes, boy. Y'all niggas is. I'm like, Jog, like, get yourself a bitch, nigga. That's funny, like, there's less niggas in this world. There's more chicks in this world. Get yourself a bitch. This shit is sad. But get back to the Omotoso story there. Ever since Omotoso has been a free man, a lot of women have been celebrating. A lot of women have been celebrating that this nigga's free, dog. And then on the other side, there's a lot of women like, how can a rapist be free? How can? I'm like, yo, this shit is complicated, dog. But I won't lie, dog. So we must not actually away. There's a lot of cases happening out there. A lot of cases happening out there, and we're not invested in them. Just because Omotoso is a famous pool, everybody's invested in them. Yeah, bro? We don't know what happened. Let the Lord do his thing. Let the Lord do his thing. That's what I'm saying, dog. I feel like, yo, we've been stressing. People are actually, in the past few weeks, people have been unhappy out there. I feel like y'all should take a break from social media and start living lives and focusing on yourself. But yeah, I just want to say justice for Kwe. And yeah, man, April has been sad, I won't lie. People have been marching. Shit has been fucking sad. I hate to fucking close this shit on a sad story, but it is what it is, dog. But it is what it is. But on a closing, dog, if right now the person you're watching, yeah, okay, let me tell you the story. I don't know if I said it before, but let me say it. The time is good. I won't lie, dog. If as a nigga and I'm dating a chick, if my chick cheats on me with another chick, I don't give a fuck. Unless I deal the toy for fuck that shit. If my chick cheats on me with another chick, I say but you'll get chicks out there when the dude cheats on them with another dude, it becomes a problem. So the bulls are, why, my gang? Like, why, girls? Why would you get pissed, dog? I don't lie, dog. I'm not. Only time I lahla cherry by coaches even I am community. By partnering in cherry, I don't have a problem with that shit, dog. Yeah, bro. I don't have a problem with that shit. No, yeah, to not beg at same time. Yeah, bro. I don't say tell a car to cherry and bar, magaze. Na cho me ha ke man bebe kopoza na na ya bo sdete non Sam. That's what I would ask for, dog. I won't lie, dog. If my chick would cheat on me with another chick, the only thing I'll get pissed for is her not calling me to fuck. Yeah, boy. That is it. But yeah, I saw this other video, dogs, of this other chick. She came to her crib, and when she got into her crib, she saw her man getting boinked. She saw her man getting dicked by another man, and she got pissed. Like, oh, what the fuck? That's fucking shit, you know. I'm like, you're funny him now. I was going chill, dog. I'm like, oh, this nigga getting fucked on the ass. But I was gonna get pissed if a nigga didn't bite me. But again, that's gonna get the apple out here. Let's try to close it, dog. Let's try to close it. But wait, now as a viewer, what would you do? if your chick cheat on you with another chick? You as a viewer, what would you do if, like a female viewer, what would you do if your man got boinked, boy? Yeah, I got that fit too. No ways. If I was a chick, I wouldn't fuck a nigga who is fucked, boy. No ways. No ways, dog. Let me not think about it too much. Not think about it too much. But if you've reached this part of the show, I just want to say thank you for tuning in, man. Thank you for the 80 subscribers that we have. 80 subscribers. Let's go to 100, dog. We need 20 more, boy. We need 20 more subscribers so we can reach 100, dog. Yeah, this is the 54th episode, and this is not the last episode. Yeah, I'm telling you. We got D-Max coming up. We got Streets Beats coming up. If y'all reach this point of the show, we're in it, So let me tell you, let me snitch. So there's this nigga that lives in my yard. So I went to go buy a beer now at like this other house, and he was there and he was serving. I gave this nigga 25 rand and he gave me 2 beers. That's some real nigga shit. That's some real nigga shit. But I kept it aside for him just in case, like, boy, I been in there, boy. I bet grand. See, sell it so you talk, yeah. But others, Black Label, y'all gotta do something. Y'all gotta do something for the boy. Y'all gotta sponsor the boy. Y'all gotta sponsor the boy. But I just want to say thank you for tuning in.
This is my train. Paul, let's not gang it chill.